Right, Jocelyn Bartram is in position. So is Lily Owsley. Delhi SG Pipers will commence the shootout. Lily Owsley has all of 8 seconds to make it happen. Can Jocelyn Bartram halt her progress? She does well and ensures that Lily Owsley pushes the ball off target.
Owsley did almost everything perfectly, but what Bartram did exceptionally well there is delay her shot. Because Owsley was a little ponderous, what Bartram does is stays with her all the way through and eventually, with a full split, forcing her to just drag it a little wide.
And the player who has shown brightly all through for Odisha Warriors, Sakshi Rana. And here goes Sakshi Rana. She has got 8 seconds. And she does a little too much with the second ball, a little too heavy on the touch. And Elodie Picard just swats the ball away with abandon.
That's superb goalkeeping because she's very quick off the blocks. She forces Sakshi Rana's hand and then just slaps that ball away. Superb, clean tackle, because had she made a foul there, that would have resulted in a penalty stroke.
It's Mumtaz Khan now who has stepped up for the Pipers. Mumtaz Khan, the girl from Lucknow, moving ahead with purpose, taking her time, trying to wrong foot the goalkeeper, gone a little too wide, and a brilliant save yet again by Jocelyn Bartram.
There again, the benefits of not committing too early, because she stays with her. As Mumtaz takes it to her left, she goes to her right. And then when she switches flanks, initially there's a little bit of a swat away, and then the superb save, just getting in the way of that.
This is a deja vu from yesterday's picture. And another promising run from Odisha. Caitlin Nobbs opens the account finally. And the drought has ended. Odisha Warriors show first blood.
Caitlin Nobbs with a very composed finish. She allows Elodie Picard to just commit herself, just goes to her left a little bit, and then casually slaps it into the corner.
Plenty of pressure now for the Pipers as Jocelyn Bartram takes her position under the bar. It's Ishika who is stepping up, and she has to step up to the challenge. It's an onerous task, not beyond her though. Ishika goes a little too far, but a clinical finish. Calmness personified, and Jocelyn Bartram has been beaten for the very first time.
A goalkeeper will be thankful because this is what you want. You want the conversion at the other end, and that's what she's done perfectly, moving across and just going way beyond Jocelyn Bartram's reach.
Pressure on either side. And Sonika now for the Odisha Warriors will go up against Elodie Picard. Sonika not giving much away, but again the mistake was made. Much like Sakshi Rana, she overplayed the ball and Picard had no trouble.
That's again high-class goalkeeping from Picard because she reads her mind, and just because she can move across to her right, what she does is just gets her stick in and sneaks that ball away. Absolutely no chance for Sonika.
It's back on level terms for both the teams and steps up the captain now, Navneet Kaur, an experience of over 170 internationals. Can she make it happen for the Pipers here? The captain steps up, Navneet Kaur, taking her time, keeping the ball close to her, beats the goalkeeper so very well. Cool, calm, and finishes things off with a style and with a big smile on her face.
That is very good, calm, composed finishing, because there was a half stop to begin with from Jocelyn Bartram, but all she does is just swivels around and sneaks it under the left glove. That is very brave finishing from Navneet Kaur.
It's Baljeet Kaur for the Odisha Warriors. Can she draw level? She does! With an absolutely stunning strike. It's a backhander that's been thumped in with a lot of conviction.
We could be in here for a while, Arun, because suddenly the forwards have found their form and they're scoring like nobody's business. What a fantastic finish by Baljeet. Superb confidence, supreme self-belief.
It's 2 goals apiece now. And Geeta Yadav, who's been impressive. I beg your pardon, Sunalita Topo, who's been impressive all evening, steps up now for the Pipers. Can she make it goal number 3 for them? Sunalita looking a little harried but finishes calmly in the end. Just putting Jocelyn Bartram in a position of discomfort. And 3 on the trot for the Pipers.
The superstar from Sundargarh steps up and gives absolutely no chance. A little bit of fancy footwork as well to completely flummox Bartram, and then the most cool and composed of finishes.
Chance now for the Odisha Warriors, but also under pressure will be Preeka Moish. She strides out. Will she go for the backhander? Hesitates a little, running out of time, and that will be that. It is the Delhi SG Pipers who hold their nerve, but there is a review that Deepa will seek. Hang on.
I think there was a little push. There was a little push just before she turned around, and that could be decisive here. But certainly nothing wrong at this stage, but this is where it happens.
Rachel Williams has confirmed that Preeka Moish has indeed missed the opportunity, and by virtue of that missed opportunity, the Pipers complete a victory. Only the second win in the tournament, and that has given the Srachi Raj Bengal Tigers a tiny sliver of hope, a tiny opening if you will. But the Delhi SG Pipers will take a lot of heart from this performance. A 3-2 result in a heart-stopping shootout that has seen the Warriors lose the reverse picture.
Absolutely thrilling encounter, and this is the reward that they deserve, Delhi SG Pipers, for the way that they fought in this match. Eventually finishes 3-2 in the shootout after 1-1 in the 60 minutes of regulation time between the Delhi SG Pipers and the Odisha Warriors.
It's a blockbuster encounter, really absolute box office, complete entertainment for everyone who has turned up to watch the game, and people have turned up to watch the game in great numbers, and they've been treated. They've been treated to some spectacular goalkeeping. Confirmation of the result of match number 11. The Pipers clinching a heart-stopping shootout, 3-2.